Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share with you my simple and budget-friendly Canada Day decorations on my front porch. I'm still saving these flowers from spring. They're still looking somewhat okay. I have added some Canada Day flags that I had picked up at the dollar store inside of them. Then I have my ferns that I will be keeping for the summer. And over in my rocking chair I have 2 pillows that I DIY'd. And then there is a sign that I made. I will link all the videos related to this in the description box. My wreaths, I'm keeping the same for the summer, just added some Canada Day flags. At the front, little entryway carpet rug, I have just layered with some material that I had left over from making the pillows, and I think it looks absolutely fabulous. More plants. I have my welcome sign over here, and then moving over to here I have just added more pillows and that I have DIY'd as well, and I just think the whole place looks so festive for our upcoming Canada Day celebrations. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of my front porch for Canada Day. If you are decorating your front porch, let me know down in the comments. If you have a video, leave the link below. I would I would love to watch it. So I hope you guys have a happy Canada Day or happy 4th of July. Since our Canada Day is July 1st. And thank you so much for watching.